sisters. Today is a stronger Han makeup. It looks very youthful, and it's a little kitten-like. It's perfect for you to hang out or take pictures. Used to draw. My face now is the skincare product I applied in the morning. Then nothing was painted. I'll apply some cotton sheets. I like to stack it when applying it, it's rude. Then the whole face is wrinkled. Almost dry. But not when it's completely dry. Just take it off. Wipe your face. We can apply makeup before applying another makeup. This makeup primer has an upper layer. I think it's moisturizing. We'll pick a color when it's almost absorbed. Because hang? As for makeup, it is the kind that is relatively white. Bring it up too. The base makeup is flat pores. This air cushion was used before. It's very convenient to apply makeup. Press to remove the powder first, then pat evenly on the lid. Although this is an air cushion, it is really concealer. If you take 2 shots, the whole face will be even. It is visible to the naked eye that it is much cleaner and flatter, and its powder feel is really weak. It is also perfect for you to promote seeing some details. Look at this full face. It's that flawless state, but a little shiny. This will be very round and will not lie, and the concentration is really good. By him, it belongs to the kind that is very strong. In this case, the makeup holding power is very online. Basically don't stay dull all day. Also modeled. I also want that white and pink feeling, with a pink brightening. Headquarters pinched it up and opened a page for it. Here you can bring a little. According to the understanding of repair culture, there is no three-dimensional powder for the whole nose. The contrast between light and dark is even lighter. Then the entire bridge of the nose can be brought a little bit. Again, take it here if it's a little rough. Old regular like a paste. Two people here is a little more open. It also makes my nose a little smaller. We can look directly in the mirror if we turn our faces. Straighten this bulge. Down a little bit. Wow, it probably lives in it. Our family has a house. Uniform and more natural. The way is so. The kind that is very light. If it's on the side of the face, I just don't want to be casual. Just pat it. Just pat it. Previous blush cream. I saw one yesterday. Loving blogger, he posted this. Question, let's try. Okay. It's that natural banging feeling. But that's too much this color. I want to ask this. He locked me in the whole house here. Being favored is right. I see. Start with a clear powder. Take the eyebrow part. I think this Korean makeup emphasizes mouth so much. Let's first dip a dark color with this eyebrow brush. Fill the eyebrows wherever there is a hollow. No need to say fill it all. eyebrows are a more natural dark brown. It's like saying that Han Zhuang will keep saying light eyebrows. But because my hair color is darker, still not too shallow, otherwise the whole is not so good looking. You must put the eyelids before the eyeshadow. On this line, wipe him. Make sure the eyelids are in a thinner state. On makeup, then we use this dusty color. Try this double eyelid fold. Just have a color and just meow. This powder belongs to that kind. Soft and waxy. And the color rendering is just right. Under the eyeshadow, we will also use this to make a little base first. Let's use this darker color. With mascara. Then add. Let you draw. You need the eye of the needle to adjust where it is used. This arc is not round enough, so I will make it up for him. Let's use this pink and white to brighten the color. We will paint. Then use this. Trace the part of the mole. Then use this color again. Shake the shadows of our ink colors. Look at this Agio Sal now. Is it still more natural and full? Then I want to make him more beautiful first. Come and paste this Korean grafting mask. Bring back this vitamin. The original end of the eye is here. Straight flat. Then brush with this fish meal. Just go deeper. Another important step. Just use this black eyeliner pen. Whole beauty salon. Just mix the two colors a little bit. Let me face it, let me be whole again. After the eye makeup is done, we can. Let's set the makeup partially. Right now. And nasolabial folds. Affirm the sheen of these places. Does it just make your face look sunken? T-zone, and then we use this throwback color to deepen the nose. And then the structure here at the nose. Very young. Take a look at him. It's a very positive shadow color. Feels redder than some breasts. Then I have to wear the eye socket here too. I'm going to brighten my face with this white one. I don't know what color to paint. Fortunately, our cream is here. Usual. You can also bring the patented rules. Moment. Matsu, take nose. No more color than this on your face. The red part is still. Cover this lip first. The lipstick part received a Guerlain gift box. Extremely dense. 3 in total. Then I want to make a pink print color today. I remember this. Let me show you this mirror. Can also be opened. It is very convenient for you to touch up your makeup slowly like this. Sneeze now. This color is not very suitable for spring, so light. our folded lip glaze. This is color 17.